60 run when the light turns green. I'm doing this on a closed end course, so don't try this on public streets. It's completely illegal, but on a closed end course it's perfectly fine. So I have the traction control off. Just so you see, this is an X5 diesel. Okay. And I do have it chipped at 100%. Right now I should be getting about 500, I'm going to say approximately 550 torque to the crank, and about 370 horsepower crank, give or take 10-15 horsepower. So let's try this again. Okay, I'm gonna say it's about 5.5 seconds, but you guys could definitely time it. See for yourself.